G'day viewers, I'm going to make another saltwater capacitor to replace this one. Perfectly using these same bottles. These seem to work quite well. So I'm going to just reuse the salt out of that bottle. There's plenty in there. And I need to get out another batch of salt when I don't have to. That'll be enough for that. And get some foil and just reuse the same leads. Maybe we can tie them together and start having some fun with these again. Now the bloody battery in the VP went flat, unfortunately. It's sat for too long, so I just got to keep it. Just need some way of keeping it topped up. So just get it on the desulfator for a bit. It is a second-hand battery though, so probably well and surely on its way out now. Just let that sit for a couple of hours. I've used 100 watt hours so far. I had 1.7 kilowatt hours when I used it last. This has a memory in it. So you leave them unplugged for a while, they don't actually reset to zero. So yeah, this meter's okay. The battery works well on this one, so pretty much nothing wrong with it. Just use it for this sort of thing now. Alright, let's get this bloody capacitor made and start having some fun. Viewers, I have two identical matching saltwater capacitors. Let's give this new one a test. We'll put up and see if we get the interesting results. I have to alter the gap like I did with that one to get the best results. So, okay, power on. Yeah, the gap's too small, arcing directly to it. So unplug safety first. Got to alter that gap. So we'll make it. It's about an inch. So we'll match that one there up, and it should start crackling and sparkling. Okay, viewers, let's give it a test now. That's better. Insulated screwdriver, high voltage screwdriver. Make sure you get good insulation when doing it. You don't want to get a shock. Oh, there you go. Avoided damage of glass there. Unplug safety first. Well, that got quite hot. Yeah, big bloody blowfly. Maybe we should fix this up and quickly give that guy a zap. If I'm quick enough, he doesn't go fly away on me. Alright, power on, see how this fly does. 3T1. Doesn't seem to phase him. Let's see if it climbs up between the spark gap and see if it gets blown up. That's a big fly. No, doesn't want to do anything. It must know. Ah, oh, come on, fly. Alright, we have a saltwater capacitor, cool. Now I've got to add a wire to it, so I've got a spark gap like I did with that one. We'll hook them both up together and see what happens. Okay, fuel's got the gaps all adjusted. One there, let's give it a test. Works quite well. Unplug safety first. Okay, if you're just do a voltage check on this battery. See if I can do this with one hand. Probably not, but we'll give it a try. Set that there. 38.27 volts. Alright, let that go and hopefully this will recover it. There you go, it just seems to be charging quite well so far. Another thing I want to try, see if that interference, RF interference, can interfere with a smart meter. I wonder if it actually does nothing. So again, there is shorting inside that, as I demonstrated in my teardown video on it, and on the other one I had. $9.13. That's not the correct time, it's 10.13. Didn't switch over to daylight savings. Put in 0.42 amps in the battery charger. 50 Hz, power factor is 1. 82.8 watts battery charger's pulling. And back to square one, display test. Yeah, there's shorting in there. The radio can't be interfered with using one of these. Interesting. Smell that steam in there. Whew, chlorine. Okay, viewers, that'll be enough for now, so thanks for watching.